Welcome to The Best Way to Clear Out Your Arteries. In this video, we'll explore the most effective method to naturally maintain clean and healthy arteries. Keep in mind that this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not medical professionals, so always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Understanding arterial health. Arteries are the essential pathways that transport oxygen-rich blood from your heart to various parts of your body. However, over time, they can become clogged and rigid due to a condition known as atherosclerosis. This buildup of plaque within the arteries is a primary factor behind heart attacks and strokes. The role of plaque. Plaque accumulation in your arteries is essentially your body's response to damage within the arterial walls. This damage triggers inflammation, and in some cases, it can lead to dangerous bleeding. To protect against this, your body forms plaque as a kind of natural band-aid to prevent bleeding at the site of injury. The process of plaque formation. The process starts with inflammation-inducing chemicals attracting oxidized cholesterol and calcium to form plaque deposits. This initial plaque is flexible and serves as a temporary coating, giving your body time to repair the damaged artery walls. However, if the injury is repeated, inflammation increases, leading to a thicker plaque deposit. The danger of soft plaque. Soft plaque, which is one of the early stages of plaque formation, is the most dangerous. The sheer force of fast-flowing blood can cause it to rip off or tear, leading to new inflammation. To address this, your body sends in platelets, fibrinogen, and other factors, which can result in the formation of a blood clot. The consequences of clots. When a blood clot forms, it can block the flow of blood, preventing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues. Depending on the location of the clot, this can lead to a heart attack or stroke. The aging process and arterial health. As people age, the inner lining of their arteries becomes more and more damaged and scarred, causing arterial stiffness. This condition is known as hardening of the arteries. If you experience difficulty climbing stairs, or if your legs or feet feel cold, numb, or painful, you might consider a calcium score test to check for artery calcification. The best way to promote arterial health. To naturally maintain clean and healthy arteries, it's crucial to understand the factors that lead to damage within the arterial walls and the development of plaque. In our next segments, we'll explore a vitamin therapy that supports your body's ability to repair damaged arteries, reduce inflammation, and dissolve plaque deposits. Conclusion.